Hi, this video is on how to use Handbrake to digitize a DVD that you're trying to use and share with your class, possibly on Moodle. So if you have Handbrake installed, all I have to do is type Handbrake, and it will come up on your PC. If you don't have it installed, either you don't have the new image or you need to call me, either way, and to get Handbrake installed on your PC. So once it comes up, it's pretty easy. All I do is select the disc. Now this is not one that's educationally related in any way. It's just the only DVD I had, called Talladega Nights. So if I click on that to open it, it's going to go ahead and scan the entire DVD. Okay, once it's done, and by the way, that took, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes before it came back. It says the title's 2 hours. And it's ready to go. So all I have to do is down here under Save As, I'm going to browse to where I want it and say I'm going to put it in my videos and call it Talladega. I know I spelled that wrong. Nights, and hit Save, and then I just hit Start, and that's it. So it is now going and saving that as an MP4 file into that folder that I just said, my video folder, as Talladega Nights. Now, obviously, if these are copyrighted videos, we can't just throw them up on Moodle. We can't throw them up in our Google Drive without taking some precautions. So here's how I recommend actually doing the video itself. So if you go to your Google Drive, I already have this, but I would make a new folder, and maybe I call it hardware videos, and hit create. And now when I'm done, I'm going to put it in there. And I want to make this video, for instance, one that my students are going to watch. The video is right there. I can right click on the video itself and say share. And I'm going to get a shareable link. Again, only people from National Trails are going to be able to use this link. And I'm going to hit copy link. And then in my Moodle class, I'm just going to add that as a link in my Moodle class. So if I wanted, for instance, to share this particular video, I could put it as a link. So I'm going to add a resource. And I'm going to say it is a URL. And I'm going to add it right there. That's the link I just grabbed from Google. And I'm going to say hidden figures. I can go down to restrict access, add a restriction that says group and any group. In other words, they have to be enrolled in your class, and I'm going to hit the eyeball there. So now that on my class, it's hidden unless they're part of any group. In other words, they have to be assigned to the class to see that link and to use that link. Otherwise, it doesn't even show up for anyone anywhere. And that's it for ripping a DVD that you need students to, maybe they missed it in your class when you showed it in the class, and how to share it so that we don't get any kind of a copyright or legal action taken against us for sharing and using that video in school.